Our lesson is about prime numbers. What is a prime number? The prime numbers are the natural numbers that have exactly two divisors. Examples: the divisors of 2 are 1 and 2, divisors of 3 are 1 and 3, divisors of 4 are 1, 2 and 4. So 2 and 3 are prime numbers because they have only two divisors, while 4 isn't a prime number. Here are some prime numbers: 2, 3, 5, 7, 83, 99, 97. Here we have something called Eratosthenes list. It is a game that we can play for hunting prime numbers. What we have to do is to choose the first number and cross out the multiples, its multiples. First of all, we cross out the multiples of 2, then we color number 3, and we cross out the multiples of 3, and so on, until we get all the prime numbers that we have in our list, which are mentioned to the right of the screen. Prime numbers up to 100 should be kept in your minds. This list is a list that shows the prime numbers up to 100, so you have to study them well. Prime factorization can be done through two ways, either factor tree or successive divisions. To decompose 40 into prime factors, we can choose any multiplication fact that we like. We can start with 20 times 2, 10 times 4, or 8 times 5, and we reach the same answer, which is 5 times 2 cubed. 42, it is 6 times 7, and we decompose 6 into 2 times 3, and 7 remains 7 because it is a prime number. We also can use successive divisions by dividing the number with the smallest prime number that it is divisible by it, reaching 1. Example, we start by 42, dividing it by 2 because it is an even number, and we get 21. 21, it's not divisible by 2, so we start with a 3. It is divisible by 3, so we divide it. 21 divided 3, it's equal to 7. 7, it's not divisible by 3, it's not divisible by 5, so we go to 7 divided 7, which is equal to 1. When we reach 1, we know that it is done. 40, it is divisible by 2. To get 20, 20 is divisible by 2, which is 10. 10, it is divisible by 2, and we get 5. 5, it's not divisible by 2. We can try 3 and then 5. So 5 divided by 5, it is equal to 1. Now we have to write a natural number as a product of prime factors. Depending on what we have explained before, we know that 42, it is 2 times 3 times 7, and we write it in the form of a product of prime factors. The second example, it is 40, and it is written as 2 cubed times 5, and it is preferable to start from the smallest prime factor reaching the greatest one. Now your assignment for next time will be the numbers 7, 8, and 12, page 36. Hope you enjoyed today's session. See you later.